How to delete Facebook account in phone. That's what I will show you in this how-to video. First, go to your Facebook application and then tap on menu icon. After coming into menu, scroll down and go for settings and privacy. Tap on settings and then just go to search bar and search for delete. Then go to personal and account information. And then here you will see account ownership and control. Click on it. After clicking on this, you will come to this page where you will get two options. Click on the second option. And now again you will get two options. One is to delete account for permanently and other is to deactivate account. Just select the option you want to and then press continue. And then they will ask for a password. After that your account will be deleted. I'm not doing this right now because I don't want to delete my account, but you can. So subscribe to this channel for more how-to videos like this.